If you're wondering whether AI can help you create TikTok videos, the answer is a definite yes. And it's not just about videos. There's a whole lot more AI can do for your TikTok marketing goals. In this video, we will share the best AI tools that can automate your TikTok marketing efforts. You might assume that the main perk of using AI for TikTok marketing automation is just saving time on content creation. But AI goes way beyond that. It can pitch trendy ideas, lend a hand with editing, even auto-generate snappy clips from your YouTube videos. Understanding your audience is crucial for a successful TikTok marketing campaign, and AI excels at processing vast amounts of data to gather insights, allowing you to tailor your strategies. So here's a list of the 4 best AI tools that you can use to get ahead in your marketing efforts and automate your TikTok marketing. Number 4, Munch. If you're looking to transform YouTube content into captivating TikTok videos effortlessly, Munch is your go-to AI tool. Simply pick the highlights from any YouTube video and you're set. Save editing time and focus on other aspects of your TikTok marketing. Munch can even auto-select the best clips for you, saving more time. Try the free trial or opt for the $49 monthly plan, with positive reviews and a low bounce rate on their official website. Number 3, Translate Video. To expand your global reach, consider making your videos available in multiple languages. Translate Video is an excellent AI tool for this purpose. It not only translates videos into 75+ languages, but also functions as a user-friendly video editor. With a 5 out of 5 user rating, low bounce rate, and high monthly visits, it's a credible choice. While there's a freemium version, access to premium features requires a $29 a month subscription. Number 2, Vidnoz AI. If you need cost-effective content creation, Vidnoz AI is your solution. This free platform offers over 100 lifelike avatars, 100 realistic voices, and 300 customizable templates for business marketing. While the tool has a free option, you can also opt for a $22 a month plan, which unlocks additional features to enhance your videos further. Number 1, Wishpond. Wishpond can deal with all your TikTok campaign management needs. This AI-powered marketing tool is made to create optimized campaigns that will help you capture more leads. With this tool, you can use the power of AI to automate the marketing process, generate forms and surveys, and design custom landing pages while carrying out audience segmentation and personalization, all without having to do any manual work yourself. In summary, leveraging AI for TikTok marketing automation offers immense benefits. Falling behind your competitors is inevitable without it. So, the faster you integrate yourself into the fantastic world of artificial intelligence, the better.